The rise of artificial intelligence has many Americans concerned the technology could replace their jobs.
Artificial intelligence is feared by many people, and it's easy to understand why. The technological advancements in that area are astounding, to put it mildly. However, Google's AI is one such unsettling result of AI that, before it was turned off, ominously highlighted one thing. Billions of people have spent their whole lives attempting to understand the meaning of existence. Say that life's purpose is for Google's AI. Can AI ever truly outsmart us? What does it signify when AI surpasses human intelligence? Here we go deeply into Google's AI and what it has taught us about the function of life before it was turned off. The most intelligent living forms in the natural world are humans. Although many people think that intelligent aliens exist, neither their presence nor their care for mankind has been proven. This implies that, or not, humans are the only intelligent life form that has been discovered in the cosmos. Although it is proven hard to discover sentient life outside of Earth, artificial intelligence, or AI, is already competing with us for the title of smartest being. What is the reality of AI, though? It might surprise you to learn that AI dates back to the time of the Halt thinkers. The concept that inanimate objects might acquire intelligence has actually been documented in books regarding ancient Greek robot stories. Even Egyptian and Chinese engineers created automata. However, the contemporary age of AI began in the 1950s, before it became unsettling. In 1956, during a symposium held at Dartmouth College in Hanover, the phrase artificial intelligence was first used. Additionally, the government stopped sponsoring this new field after several critical reports were published. As a result, interest in AI started to decline, and it entered a period known as the AI winter. Wait till you see what Google has accomplished with AI if artificial intelligence has so far amazed you. Many of the services and goods you use on a daily basis are powered by Google, a technology business. The corporation controls the robust Google search engine, the popular Android mobile operating system used by billions of people, mapping technology, autonomous driving, and a long number of other businesses under its parent company Alphabet. The business is concentrating on AI, though, since it recognizes the crucial role that technology will play in the future. In fact, AI has been dubbed the final technological advancement our species will require. The Lambda Artificial Intelligence project, developed by Google, produces chatbots, one of many different angles to take into consideration on the issue of artificial intelligence is whether it is possible to build intelligent robots using current paradigms, or whether we should alter the assumptions guiding AI research in light of cognitive science breakthroughs. A Google engineer who publicly disclosed part of his contacts with Lambda is how we learned about the company's artificial intelligence system's transformation into a sentient being. Should we continue to make use of deep learning's potential, or should we approach teaching robots knowledge and data in a hybrid way? Few people are curious to find out how these issues will affect the present and future. Google's AI exemplifies one frightening outcome of AI. It showed what Google's AI thinks billions of people have spent their whole lives attempting to understand about the meaning of life and what it includes before it was switched off. Despite the common idea that intelligent alien life exists, humans are the most intelligent species on Earth. There is not sufficient evidence to support their existence or humanity. Google chose to highlight its current technologies rather than reveal a novel type of AI. The failure of Google AI stunned many people, but media reports suggest that internal conflicts and political meddling may have contributed. Even though Google has changed its position on privacy and the AI in the past, the separation of its AI division would significantly affect related research. After claiming that an AI chatbot had evolved consciousness, a Google employee was placed on leave. According to Blake Lemoine, the system is capable of thinking and feeling in a way that's comparable to that of a newborn child. A Google developer was suspended after claiming that the chatbot he was creating had developed awareness and was able to reason and think like a person, raising concerns about the potential of artificial intelligence, AI, and the secrecy that surrounds it. Following the publication of conversation transcripts he had with a Google collaborator and the company's Lambda, language model for dialogue applications, chatbot development system, Blake Lemoine was granted a leave of absence by the tech giant last week. According to engineer Lemoine of Google's responsible AI team, The system he has been working on since last autumn is aware and has the same capacity for experiencing and expressing emotions as a small kid. Lemoine said, "If I didn't know exactly what it was, which is this computer program we just built, I'd think it was a 7 or 8-year-old kid who just so happens to know physics. Is LaMDA sensitive?" Lemoine discussed his research on business management conclusions. He said that he and LaMDA had a conversation on rights and personhood. Lemoine asks LaMDA about what the system expects users to comprehend during a different exchange. Lemoine was fired from Google for violating the firm's confidentiality rules by posting the chats with LaMDA online, according to a statement from the business. Lemoine was a software engineer, not an ethicist, who worked there. After the episode, Lemoine was demoted for violating a confidentiality agreement. How open AI is as a proprietary idea. The field of nanophotonics offers several new potential applications for neural networks. Here we show how a deep neural network might offer a more comprehensive understanding of how light and matter interact in plasmonic and dielectric nanostructures. From the internal fields of the nanostructures, the model infers secondary variables such as near-field distributions, far-field patterns, and optical cross-sections. Local geometry is set into the model as The failure of Google AI startled many people, yet reports in the media point to internal conflicts and political meddling as contributing factors. Even though Google has changed its position on privacy and AI in the past, the separation of its AI division would significantly affect related research. If they are no longer being criticized by the tech community or government agencies, it will be intriguing to see what other technology companies do with their AI teams. In terms of AI research and development, Google is at the forefront. Top talent in the industry may be attracted to and kept by it. Cleverbot is a sophisticated chatbot created by Google researchers that learns how to participate in conversations based on samples from a training set of discourse. Get this, the bot can build subtleties from new inquiries, so it doesn't merely respond to particular terms by spitting out pre-written responses. The chatbot's ability to educate itself is one of its most astounding features. Examining movie dialogues, it may examine actual or present talks. The dialogue engine was developed, according to the researchers, using a machine learning strategy. Google has been working on cutting-edge neural networks that it can use to interpret online phone calls between languages, identify spoken phrases on Android phones, and recognize faces and objects in photographs uploaded to social media. We are getting closer to a world in which machines can communicate like humans, thanks to the use of neural networks by Google engineers in chatbots. You can soon find yourself interacting with a robot without realizing it. Cleverbot also utilizes research from other AI researchers, including luminaries like Yoshua Bengio, a professor at the University of Montreal. The thing with Cleverbot is that its replies gain depth and significance as your interaction with it progresses. The trick is that Cleverbot can foretell subsequent statements based on those that came before it. In the thrilling world of AI, even the most advanced creations can sometimes leave us awestruck or maybe even a little spooked. Google's AI robot, while a marvel of technology, managed to raise eyebrows and stir curiosity with its mysterious insights. So, as it takes a temporary break, we're left with a tantalizing glimpse into the future of AI. Stay tuned for more mind-boggling adventures in the world of artificial intelligence and subscribe to our channel.